Hello guys, myself I am Pavanar. My ISO number is 1V22CS413. Today we are going to the topic is the importance of security in operating system. As technology advances, computer security becomes a increasingly invented in this presentation. We will take a comparative look at the measurement implemented by the operating system to keep your data safe. Common security stated in the operating system. Malware refers to the any malicious software designing for the arms your system, steals your data, or describe your computer organization. It can come to many forms such as the virus, worms, and the ransomware. Phishing is attacks your occurs when the cryptons or implementations of legislation organizations of the individuals to click your the relevance sensitive information such as linked informations and critical of the credit and number. Unauthorized access. Unauthorized access occurs when as attack can enter the computer systems or network without permission. This can result in data thief, discretions of manipulation. Security means measures implemented by operating systems. Firewalls are the commonly used security measures that work by the filtering incoming and outgoing network traffic to protect against unauthorized access and malware. Encryptions involving encoding data and that only those with the correct descriptions key can read it. The protect sensitive information such as credit card number and login credential from being implemented or stolen. Password Unauthorizations. Password unauthorizations is the process of the verifications and user ID, unique some names and the combinations. This helps with unauthorized access to the and sources. Access control and using unauthorization. Role-based access control. In role-based control used to assign the specific role and previous level based on the job functions or of responsibility. This limited their access to sensitive information and resources. Two-factor Two-factor authentication uh, required a use to provide two forms of identifications before granting access to a systems and network. This adds an extra layer of the security behind the simple username and password combinations. Biometric authentication uses two unique physical and behavioral characteristics such as fingerprint or facial recognition to verify the user identity. In this advanced such from the unauthorization that is difficult to replicate. Encryptions and decryptions in operating system. Why is decryption important? Decryption is the process of the converting scripted byte into the original plaintext format. It is critical to ensure that unauthorized user can be access the data and that is remains security throughout the encrypted and transmission process. What is encryption? Encryption is the process of the converting plain text data in the coded format, also known as the syntax of the protect in the unauthorized access. This includes the user of the cryptocard algorithms and keys that ensure secure transmissions and the storage of the data. How does decryptions works? Encryptions and decryptions works on to the of companies of mathematical algorithms of the cryptographics ensure that the only authorized user to the access remains secure and the corporation. Common vulnerability of the operating systems. Buffer overflow occurs when the programs and process attempted to store more data in a buffer than it can be hold. This can lead a systems crashes that corporation of the unauthorized access to the sensitive information. SQL injection SQL injections is the type of the crypted attack that target a database by the injections. Malicious SQL statement use input fields. This can lead a data thief, corruptions, and description. Cross-site suppression. Cross the suppression occurs when the attacks injects malicious code into the website, typically and field and kernels of authorized security access of the installation. Best practices and securing operating system. Keep your system up to date. Make sure that your operating system and all installing software in the keep up to date with the latest security patching and the update. Use stored password. Make sure that your passwords are unique, complex, and difficult to the guess. Use a password manager to keep a track of your login credentials. Avoid clicking subscriptions link. Avoid clicking on the links for the unknown of untrusted sources as this can lead to the phishing attack to the malware installations. Use antivirus software. Install antivirus software to decode after remove malware from your system. Make sure that is a keep up to date of regular scanners. Consolations keeping your system safe. Incomplete, incompleting, incompleting strong security measures in circular to keep your data and the resources safe from the cyber attack and unauthorized access of understanding the common threats and the vulnerability in your operating system. You can take necessary precautions to protect your data and thus stay safe online. Thank you.